Hey, hey, my geniuses! Welcome back to Quiz Slice. The Descendants/Zombies tour is back, and now it's time to save your favorite song. Let's see if you've got the ball. Here we go. Here's your first challenge. Save only one.
It's good to be back, and the proof of that used to be lost in my arms. What's my name? Say it louder. What's my name? Set it off, go berserk. Tonight I light it up like fireworks. What we open night. Oh, we on. Sound it and get on your feet. Let's set it off on this beat. Dance for life. This is a declaration.
Next up, save your favorite song, pal.
All you got to do is give an inch, and we gon' take it to the top. You want to catch this feeling, you want to catch this feeling, you'll be chillin', chillin'. Look, guys, we got bigger fish to fry. Put your differences aside, 'cause right now we're we're not sure who they are. Fighting for perfect punishment. I don't get mad at it either. Gon' find the perfect beat.
Delete one team between these two. Can you make the hard decision? If you couldn't, comment below why. Back to business. Which team are you gonna save? Here's another one. Go for your loved one.
I never thought that it could happen to a guy like me, but now look at what you've done. You got no matter what it takes, I'll be making my mark.
Is this just a dream? You never getting caught. Don't make me one more time. That's to show you who I am. Even if we're worlds apart.
I'm about to show you.
What you gonna show me?
Guess somebody told you.
You ain't gonna tell me.
I'm about to.
Memory test. Remember the position of all the artists here. Can you find Dara Renee? There she is. Another list of bangers. It's so hard to choose.
On the wall, who's the baddest of them? Lucky you for stumbling. Until the throne's gone.
Get this party started. I swear I'm cold-hearted. There's no negotiation.
I like rubbing it. Let me show you what real true power is. It's when I say my picture number in my phone. And my secret survey, baby.
One more coming right up.
I could be a boy for a day. You're about to learn your lesson. Don't go missing what's in my goodie bag. Oh boy, it's so hypnotic. It's all gonna turn out nicely. You're just a taste of your heart.
And I know how to get a crowd right up and on their feet. So if you want
Dance with me, wanna feel like venom. Is it bad that I might forget 'em?
Got your song to save? Up next, the shuffle song version.
Don't know what I'm feeling. Is this just a dream? Is this just a dream? Oh, show your cards, then you throw your hands up. Now take it side to side. Goes once upon a time, she fought the dragon. I'm the new kid in town. I'm off the block, you know who I am. I don't bend the knee back down.
Is it easier for you to choose? Would you rather have no more Disney tours in the future or just like and subscribe to us? What is it? Comment below so we'll see your answers. I wonder what you would choose.
When you can't see the light, you gotta be the light. And on this pitch dark night, I'm shining super bright. I never thought that you could have it to a guy like me, but now look at what you've done. Because my love for you is ridiculous. I never knew.
If this is just a daydream, I hope that it never ends. We just met, you know me, don't know it all just yet, but you've shown me.
Don't forget to comment below. Spot the 3 differences between these 2 posters. Oh, bullseye. There they are. Any idea which song within these you would save?
Fast way, fall back. Let me lead you all the lies that will bring them to their knees. Look, guys, we got bigger fish to fry. Put your differences aside, 'cause right now we're on the sea. So raise your voices and let's get it activated. So raise your voices and let's get it activated.
Kiss, Marry, or Kick with Malachi, Malia, and Joshua. Don't forget to comment on your answer. Last one. Choose the decision you won't regret.
Voice and take a chance and make a change and show the world. People ever like this, stronger together like this. We reunite like this. It's all gonna turn out nicely. You're just a taste of your spicy. Just mix it up, you'll keep finding that life is sweeter when you own what we own. Oh, we own the night. Oh, we own what we own. What we own. Oh, we own the night. Oh, we own.
Great job! That was awesome! Saving songs and singing lines isn't easy, but you made it all the way. Thanks for quizzing with us. Remember to smash like, and I'll see you in another video.